Well, hello guys. I hope y'all are having an amazing Tuesday. I got these beautiful boots. Got the little fur in the inside. And so I picked these up from Amazon and I thought they was the cutest thing, but they don't have any fur going around this side. So I had this old vest, and you see, I didn't cut it up. So these are the pieces from the old vest. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to put some fur around the back of the boot to change it up a little bit. So I already cut out these pieces. I'm just trying to figure, do I want it to go, which way I want it to go. Like, should I do it upside down? It gives it more of a funky look. So depending on which way you turn the fur, you will get more whatever. So this is the right side, like this. And this is upside down. So it gives it more, get more wilder that way. And we just got to see which one looks the best. Either right sides or upside down. So, y'all see that? Y'all think that way look better? I think so. Too, I think upside down looks better. Y'all see that? Don't that look more funkier when I turn it upside down? So, that's what I am going to do. I'm going to glue this onto the boot. And it's real simple. And if you guys want to get these boots, the boots came off of Amazon. And you can go on Amazon also and get the fur. Get the rugs and make your own. So I'm going to glue it together and I'll come back and show you what they look like. See you guys soon. Okay, guys, without any further ado, this is what they turned out like. And I'm not for sure if I want to do the flap like this because they come with the little fur flap and then it's fur in the inside. So I'm not for sure which way. I probably keep them mismatched like that. But they some very cute little boots. These boots was $39.99. So they some pretty decent boots for $30. They have, I don't know if you guys can see down in there, but they got fur down in the inside. But I think putting the fur on them made them even more cuter. And I do have a pink fur coat, and I can put these on with it. But this is the finishing result. So guys, the boots came off Amazon. The fur vest I already had. So if you guys want to make these, you can buy the boots from Amazon and put in pink fur rugs, and then you can use that, or the pink fox fur. Or if you guys want to go on and use real fur, put in pink rabbit fur, or put in pink fox, F-O-X fur, and you can get the real fur and put it on there. So thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome day. But I love these boots. So pretty and pink. Bye-bye, guys. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots. I'm telling you guys, I truly, truly, truly love these boots. For these boots to only be $40, they're put together very well. They're so cute. They're so cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. And yes, hot glue gun, you probably get a good deal getting it off of Amazon. I got 50 big things of it for $16.99. But you can also get your hot glue from Walmart or Amazon as well. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.